have 2 employees who are undertaking an apprenticeship with the University of Gloucestershire.
Joe and Levi. We've seen a huge net benefit to having the guys on board.
My name is Levi.
I'm Joe.
I'm studying the Cybersecurity Technical Professional Standard course at the University of Gloucestershire. It's a 3-year course at Salus. I'm a cybersecurity consultant. Salus provides cybersecurity assurance testing for organisations.
When I was first looking into what I wanted to do, I sat and wrote out the pros and the cons. I couldn't think of a single con for an apprenticeship. You get paid to learn. You don't get any student debts. You get all this experience and you learn so much from everyone that's around you.
We want to invest in them, not only through the apprenticeship scheme, but also accelerate their journeys for the next 5-10 years.
I would advise for anyone wanting to get into the industry, it's the right way to go because you have the education, but also you have the hands-on experience of what's happening.
There's never a shortage of people that I can ask for help. If I'm ever stuck, I can go to someone next to me or I can shoot someone a message on Teams.
The lecturers have always got advice. The facilities are all open 24/7 if I want to go in there and crack on with something.
There's no downside really. You get paid to learn, you don't get student debt, you get a degree, you get experience. I don't see a downside to a degree apprenticeship.